My question to TDP and YCP, my question to Congress, CPM, and even my question to BJP and Janasena, because of whom this Tirupati town, this Tirupati people got name, fame, wealth, economy, because of whom? किसके कारण ये सब हुआ है? It is only because of Yedukondelwada Venkataramana Govinda Govinda. Only because of Govinda Swami, Venkateshwara Swami. Whatever wealth you see, hotel industry, tourism industry, restaurants, all small shops, thousands of people are getting employment in Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam. Because of whom? Not because of you, Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu. Not because of any political party, even not because of BJP Janasena. It is only because of Venkateshwara Swami. Then Tirupati Lok Sabha voters, they should expect that from where we are getting everything, our representative to Delhi as member of parliament should have faith in Balaji Swami, should have faith in Amma Varu Padmavati. If they expect, if Sri Kalahasti and all people, they expect that member of parliament representing from Tirupati Lok Sabha seat should respect all these gods, should take darshan and show their respects. What is wrong if they expect? And that is why my question, and I believe that it is a question on behalf of all voters of Tirumala, Tirupati and Tirupati Lok Sabha constituency. Why candidate of YCP has not taken darshan of all these great deities? अरे उनका दर्शन लेने के लिए यूएस से लोग आते हैं, उनका दर्शन के लिए अफ्रीका से लोग आते हैं, दुनिया भर के लोग आते हैं, तो ये वाईसीपी का कैंडिडेट क्यों नहीं दर्शन करता है? उसको शर्म आती है क्या, या वो उनको भगवान नहीं मानता? एंड सम मिस्टर नानी, क्या नाम? No, not that Battamiz Nani. One another Nani is there. He is said to be decent Nani. No, not Kodali. He questioned my Govinda Namam. He said that this is political drama. This is an insult of crores of Shraddhalu, Bhaktas, devotees of Balaji. I will explain how it is insult of all Bhaktas. You tell me, those bhaktas, those who are coming to take darshan of Lord Balaji, do they regularly practice of displaying this Govinda Nama in their own life? No, never. They when only come to Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam, then they put this Govinda Namam for day or two whenever they stay here. And after going from here, they practice whatever they used to practice. When they are in the premises of Lord Govinda, they definitely practice this Namam. And you can see it is visible on foreheads of many people, those who are tourists coming from outside. Yes, I am an outsider. I am a worshipper of Govinda. And for your kind information, Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu, this Namam is not political drama. You can go to my Facebook and check. When I became co-in charge of Andhra Pradesh, on 30th July 2018, till that date in my life, I never entered into this great state of Alluri Sitaram Rajuji, Pingali Venkayaji. I entered into them, I put my feet on this great land of Andhra Pradesh only when I was assigned as co-in charge of Andhra Pradesh. And from that moment I started loving people of Andhra Pradesh, loving Telugu language, loving Telugu culture, Telugu food, Telugu Sanskriti. And immediately the first thing did by me, listen Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu, I visited Tirumala Devasthanam and I offered my hairs. When there was no election in Andhra Pradesh. It is August 2018. You can see my Facebook post and the photograph. मैंने गुंडू किया. And after that, in 2018 to 2021, more than 15 to 20 times, after that I stopped counting how many times I am taking darshan of Lord Venkateshwara Swami. And you are insulting Hindus, calling this is drama? And if this is drama, Mr. Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu, what was that you are doing before assembly and parliament elections? Visiting every mandir, every poster, photograph of chief minister, at that time not chief minister, there was a tika on your forehead. When you put your photographs, folded hands, there was ganda, showing that you are a Hindu. You cheated Andhra Pradesh people. There are number of evidences that you are not a Hindu. You only became Hindu, or you displayed that you became Hindu because you wanted to win this election. My new question, media people listen, all Andhra Pradesh people you should listen. There was a practice in almost Andhra Pradesh. If a member of parliament or an MLA suddenly dies in between without completing the term, in by-election, ticket is given to family member of that MLA or MP. Am I right? And if it is given, then almost unanimously other opposition parties used to make that a son, daughter, wife, sister, or whoever is family member contesting from his seat in by-poll was made unanimous in past. Answer my question, Jagan Mohan Garu. Why you did not give ticket of member of parliament to late Durga Prasad Garu's family member? I will tell you the reason today. Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu denied ticket to family member of Durga Prasad Garu, late Durga Prasad Garu, because that family is a Hindu practicing scheduled caste family. That family person would not have gone to church and showed the dramas what Dr. Gurumurthy is doing. Only this is the reason. And again his son is cheated by making him MLC. My question to Chief Minister, you only have sent a letter to Home Ministry and central government that you want to abolish this state council in this state, legislative council in this state. Then if you are asking to abolish legislative council in the state and you are offering MLC ticket to son of that late Durga Prasad Garu, you are cheating that family as well.